Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make crochet number 3. This number is very good for embroidery. That's how it looks when it's done and embroidered to another piece of project. And size of this number 3 is approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters. I'm going to use double knit yarn for that, 3mm crochet hook, and everything what you will need, just scissors as well. So let's start our number 3. We are going to start with chain of 10 stitches. Let's do our chain of 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have a chain. We're going to start from the second chain and we're going to do 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. Remember, starting from the second chain. 1, 2, and 3. Our next step will be chain of 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's how our number 3 looks now. We're going to start again from the second chain, and our next step will be 1 single crochet in next stitch. 1 single crochet. Then we're going to increase, and we're going to repeat that increase for 6 times. Increase 1, increase 2, increase 3, increase 4, increase 5, increase 6, our last increase. That's how our number looks now. Next stitch will be slip stitch in the next stitch, just a simple slip stitch. Now we're going to do another 6 increases again. Increase 1, increase 2, increase 3, increase 4, increase 5, and our last increase, increase 6. Now let me find that stitch, I lost it. Increase 6, and then we have only 1 stitch remaining, which will be only 1 single crochet in the last stitch. And that's our number 3 is complete. We're going to finish it off. I'm gonna leave quite long tail for sewing. Gonna pull yarn through our last stitch, and that's our number 3 is complete. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to make number 3. If you would like to find more tutorials for numbers, please check the description below. And I hope to see you on my next videos. As well, don't forget to subscribe.